the stream is lighted to thy name. It is done.
Sometimes I can't get it right, no matter how.
Mayong adlaw sa tanan, this is Glenn, yung admin sa Little Faith. And tonight, Lord, I just wanna thank you for the gift of music. Actually, it is still something na gusto na ko i-pursue. Like, I've seen so many gospel artists that they do this full time, like touring and touring from one place to another, and then just singing praises, and then God bless them with a living out of it. Isa na sa akong mga long-term goals ba nga unta mo abot ng panahon nga maka-experience po kung inana pohon-pohon. Anyway, as for the moment, ang gift of music gihatag lang sa Ginoo sa ato. Ako lang usang gamiton sa pagpatulog sa kong anak. And also, I miss singing in church. Well, it's not something like kaning pagpagarbop nindot og tingog inana, but ang pinaka-epektibo nga pamaagi sa ako para mapasabot na ako sa katauhan o ma-absorb nila, masabtan nila kung unsa ang gugma sa Ginoo, for me, is through music. I strongly believe that music is the most effective means to minister, not doctrinally, but to let people understand and know how the love of God or unsa ang gugma sa Ginoo para sa ato tanan. I think that's all for today, little fam, and ayaw kalimot, so ganito, all it takes is, yes, a little faith.
You